Hi, and welcome to Crypto Database. In today's episode, we will explore the concept of smart contracts. So let's get started.
Crypto Database.
Web3 explained.
As mentioned in our channel's first episode, smart contracts are composed of a series of functions and conditions executed in a predetermined order. Developers write smart contracts, a crucial component for creating decentralized applications on Ethereum, Solana, BNB, or any other platform. Let's look at an example of how smart contracts operate on a decentralized exchange. For instance, imagine I use a swap aggregator to exchange my Ethereum for a stablecoin, in this case, DAI. I initiate a transaction directly to the smart contract. The contract reads the information sent in my transaction and automatically selects the best exchange rate for my Ethereum to DAI. It then takes my Ethereum and sends DAI to my address. But what happens if the Ethereum price drops during the transaction? Does this mean I'll receive less than expected? Smart contracts take into account the fluctuations in cryptocurrency prices. For example, if the Ethereum price fluctuates within an acceptable range, the transaction proceeds. However, if there is a significant deviation from the initial value at the time of my transaction, the smart contract will still proceed the transaction, but the exchange won't occur. I will get my Ethereum back, and the transaction will refund all my funds. This showcases the power of smart contracts, which can be programmed in great detail. Let's consider another example with smart contracts. Suppose I want to buy an NFT on a decentralized marketplace. If I find an NFT that interests me, I can send a transaction to buy it. The smart contract accepts my funds and sends the NFT to my address. Then it transfers the received funds to the seller. As a result, a transaction occurs automatically without the involvement of third parties using a smart contract. Now, let's list the advantages and key features of smart contracts. Firstly, they offer complete transparency, as their code is open for anyone to view. You can see every function written in any smart contract. Secondly, smart contracts operate autonomously without the need for a central managing authority. Thirdly, they are part of the blockchain, which ensures their immutability and reliability. However, it's crucial to note that smart contracts don't necessarily guarantee the security of your funds. Anyone can create a smart contract, and there is nothing to stop a malicious actor from creating one with harmful functions to deceive users. This discussion leads us to a crucial point: smart contract security and the inherent risks in cryptocurrency usage. Surely we will be covering security-related topics in our future episodes, so make sure you won't miss them. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful explorations into the Web3 ecosystem.
Crypto Database.
Web3 explained.